Yo, what's up everybody? It's Andrew Emil here, and in 2025 we're seeing a silent revolution in how wealth is being created. Forget gold, forget oil, this time it's all about machines. We're talking about underground innovations, things that are flying under the radar, quietly generating massive profits for everyday people. These are the machines that are turning side hustles into six-figure businesses, and turning regular people like you and me into millionaires. So today we're diving deep into 5 of these secret weapon machines that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. We're gonna break down exactly how they work, how much money people are actually making, and most importantly, how you can potentially get in on the action. So buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Alright, first up we're talking about AI-powered microfactories. Remember a few years back when 3D printing was all the rage? Well, this is like that, but on steroids. We're talking about compact, incredibly powerful machines that can literally fit on a desktop. They can 3D print, laser cut, assemble, the whole 9 yards, all powered by AI and robotics. And the craziest part is, these things used to cost a fortune, like only mega corporations could afford them. But now, the tech has gotten so good, so affordable, that even small startups and individuals are getting their hands on them. Imagine running a whole production line from your garage, or even your apartment. If you're even remotely entrepreneurial, you gotta be paying attention to this. Next up, let's talk about something that might blow your mind. We all know the world is moving towards more sustainable living, right? Well, one of the coolest innovations I've seen in that space is automated vertical farms. These things are like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine walking into a warehouse and instead of shelves stacked with boxes, you see walls covered in glowing plants, all perfectly aligned and growing like crazy. They use a fraction of the land and water compared to traditional farming, and because everything is controlled indoors, they can grow food year-round, regardless of the weather. These new-age vertical farms are powered by AI. A single vertical farm pod, like the size of a shipping container, can produce the same amount of food as an acre of farmland. As more people become aware of where their food comes from and the environmental impact, these hyper-local, sustainable farms are going to be in higher demand than ever. Alright, for the next game changer on our list, let's talk about something a little more familiar but with a futuristic twist. We've all seen vending machines, right? They've been around forever. But what if I told you that vending machines are about to get a serious upgrade? I'm talking about smart vending bots, and they're about to change the retail game as we know it. These aren't your typical vending machines that get jammed every other day. These are sleek, tech-packed units that are basically mini stores on autopilot. Think touchscreens, facial recognition, personalized recommendations, the works. You don't need a ton of capital to get started, and you don't need any prior retail experience. Now for all my techies out there, let's dive into the world of finance, but not the kind you're probably thinking of. We all know the stock market can be volatile, right? But what if I told you there's a way to potentially make money regardless of whether the market is up or down? That's where algorithmic trading bots come in. Trading bots have been around for a while, but what's changing is the level of sophistication and the niche applications. These aren't your dad's trading bots that just follow basic technical indicators. These are next-level AI-powered machines that are trained on massive data sets and can spot patterns that even the most seasoned traders miss. They're designed to excel in very specific niches. Think Forex micro-movements, NFT prediction models, renewable energy contracts, you name it. And the potential returns are impressive. Finally, let's talk about the machine revolution you can literally see and hear, but probably don't know is quietly making people rich. I'm talking about AI-powered content machines. Think about all the content you consume on a daily basis. Videos, articles, podcasts, music, social media posts. Now imagine if I told you that a lot of that content is already being generated by AI. AI tools are now so advanced that they can write articles, create videos, compose music, even design graphics, all with minimal human input. And this isn't just some far-off future. This is happening right now. And it's creating a massive opportunity for anyone willing to learn how to leverage these tools. Look, the machines I've shown you today aren't some far-off sci-fi fantasy. They're real, they're here right now, and they're quietly changing the game. While everyone else is distracted by the latest headlines and hype, a small group of people are using these tools to build real, sustainable wealth. And the best part? It's not just for tech geniuses or people with tons of money. These machines are becoming more accessible every single day. What separates those who succeed from those who don't is awareness. So the question is, are you going to watch from the sidelines as others reap the rewards, or are you going to be one of the first to capitalize on this new era of wealth creation? The choice is yours.